The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and the National Weather Service in Denver. Due to extremely dangerous flash flooding conditions occurring within Jefferson County, the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and the National Weather Service in Denver are urging all residents to evacuate the area. Travel down marked evacuation routes, as these routes will guide you to more safe areas and will ensure that you are not within the path of the storm. If you require assistance evacuating, emergency management and law enforcement officials will escort you to the nearest pickup point, where you will be evacuated out of the area by a law enforcement official. Repeating, a mandatory evacuation has been ordered for residents currently within the Jefferson County area. More information on this situation will be provided when it can be given to the public.